Okay, I have here an old-fashioned deck of bicycle playing cards. And so I thought we would do something fun together today. Now, I don't know if you've heard this, but supposedly a person needs to riffle shuffle, which is what I'm doing here, riffle shuffle a deck of cards 7 times to truly randomize the cards. Okay? But I don't know about you. I don't know how many people would have the patience or stamina to shuffle that many times, or maybe equally importantly, how many people would have the patience to watch somebody else shuffle that many times. How many are we up to? Does anyone keep track? Are we up to number 8 by now? I'm not sure. Okay, that's enough shuffling. But what I did want to share with you today is something that's close to most people's heart, and it's called a vacation. V-A-C-A-T-I-O-N, vacation. And of all the vacations that people enjoy, the one that they come back to again and again is fun, F-U-N, in the, I-N-T-H-E, sun, S-U-N. Fun in the sun. Don't you agree that that really is the one that people enjoy the most?